Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna learn how to debug React Native app and inspect network. Search React Native Debugger GitHub. And open the GitHub page. And click on the latest release and download your operation system file. I'm using Mac with Intel chip and using this file. After downloading, double click to open the file, drag and drop to application folder, but I have already installed it. Pretty nice. Let's search for React Native Debugger app, and this is the application UI. Pretty nice. Let's do a start React Native app. And this is a React Native sample app, and we're gonna add a list view that fetches data from the internet and display them. Let's do it. Pretty nice. We have displayed the album title in the list view. Open React Native Debugger app, and after that on the Android emulator, press Command M and select debug to connecting the React Native app to the debugger app. And right click here to make sure the network inspect is enabled. And after that, press Command M again and select reload to inspect network. And that's it.